Hello everybody, welcome to the 2012 Robotics Olympics.
This is my first time, but this is the best experience I have ever had. Thank you.
Hi, I'm Judy Freed, and I'm the curriculum developer of the BBOT problem solving as well as Alpha Robotics programs for 3 to 7-year-olds. This is a very important event, the Robotics Olympics for Boston. We encourage kids to problem solve and design their own cars, vehicles, and program it to go many different ways.
You can make it move different ways, and it can go left, it can go right, it can go either way you would like it to.
We are going to be developing wonderful budding engineers.
So my name is Julie, and that's Hassani and Devin. And we entered the 100-centimeter race, and we had to make a design without using wheels. And we made ours to jump like a frog, and we improved it by making the wheels bigger, because you could have wheels, but they can't be constantly touching the ground.
The way I programmed it is, you had to plug in a USB cord to the computer, which downloaded all the information from the RCX into the computer, and you had to sync it, which then you had to program it the way you wanted it to move. And then if it didn't work, you retried it. So before this design, we had another design that it had like a bunch of Lego pieces, but since it didn't work, we broke it apart and we came up with this design. At first we had smaller wheels, but now today we just added these bigger wheels and we got more distance than usual.
Today we're celebrating the 10th year of robotics in Boston. This is such an exciting event today because we have our youngest students participating, all the way from kindergarten all the way up to 8th grade. We have lots of schools here, and it's just a fun day because so many parents are here to watch their students compete. Students are competing individually and in teams, and it's really interesting to see how many very young students can learn everything from circumference to learning about how they can use certain weights and putting certain things together in an engineering way. I think we're all thrilled that our students are learning engineering concepts at such an early age, and we know that's going to pay big dividends in the future. I think I've been most impressed also with our teachers and their parents working in collaboration. You don't have many instances where parents can work side by side with teachers and teaching students, and we don't have a lot of instances where students are learning side by side their parents and their teachers. And the Robotics Olympics today is really a celebration of how students can apply engineering concepts, mathematics and science concepts in a real applied way, and then they remember. I also think that one of the most important learnings that students get from this experience is that they get to see that there are many different ways to solve a problem. And they go over and over their experimenting again to see how fast, how much slower, how much faster, how they can shift weights or shift components of Legos to really make a more efficient product. I can't help believe that those learnings can transfer into problem solving, into being creative across the board in all their other subjects. I met so many students who this is their second year or their third year. And I think the other exciting thing is there seem to be an equal number of girls and boys involved in engineering. That's really what we want to see across the board, a very diverse and engaged population of Boston Public School students.
We are from the Sarah Greenwood School, and we are doing the poster challenge. This is our robot here, and our challenge was of the javelin throw. We programmed our robot to run a little bit and then rotate and throw the javelin stick a little bit far away from it.
Hi, my name is Valeska Landing. I am the principal from the John F. Kennedy School. And this is a great opportunity for my students to come here to see how the robotic function and how the things are working. My students this year, they participate in the BBOT, and also they did different challenge where the students have the opportunity to go back to fix it. And using science and technology, we can see how the students are spending their knowledge and be more flexible. And when I say flexible, they are able to go back and change the car as they need it. So this is a great opportunity, and I hope that we can continue doing that. Thank you to Wentworth, Mr. Boston, and the superintendent to support this great opportunity for our students.
So a real salute today to our young engineers, all of our coaches and alumni, students who come back as graduates from college and they're helping out today, and the parents and teachers who today are really part of our teaching corps in making sure our students have wonderful robotics experiences and robotics competitions where they can learn to come back next year and do even better.